Every year, hundreds of miners are buried alive. From the coal seams of China to the deep shafts of Chile, a silent, invisible killer lurks: methane. This gas is responsible for over half of all underground coal disasters. One moment, it's just another day on the job. The next, a single spark turns the air into a fireball. We've seen the devastating headlines: 296 lives lost in China in 2004, 104 miners gone in the Sago disaster in the US. More recently, explosions in India have claimed over 20 lives in a single event. These aren't just statistics. They're families torn apart, communities shattered. The cause is often the same: methane, trapped in poorly ventilated areas, ignited by faulty equipment or a stray spark. It's a deadly recipe, turning tunnels into tombs. But it doesn't have to be this way. There's a powerful tool designed to stop these tragedies before they start. The International Labour Organization, ILO Convention 176, specifically Article 7. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a blueprint for survival, an ironclad set of rules to bury the risks, not the miners. So, what does Article 7 actually do? It forces mine operators to take specific, life-saving actions. First, it demands safe design. This means using only certified, intrinsically safe electrical gear and placing methane detectors at regular intervals to catch gas buildup early. Next, ventilation. Article 7 mandates powerful ventilation systems that constantly dilute methane to below 1%, the critical safety threshold. It ensures a steady flow of fresh air, preventing the gas from ever reaching explosive levels. It also establishes clear hazard zones. If methane levels creep up to 2%, no one is allowed to enter. Continuous monitors are set to automatically sound an alarm at just 1%, giving miners crucial time to react. And for fire and explosion prevention, it requires life-saving barriers like stone, dust, and water deluge systems, along with refuge chambers stocked with enough supplies to last 96 hours. Finally, Article 7 covers emergencies. If methane hits a danger point, operations stop immediately. Automatic shutdowns are triggered. Sirens blare, and illuminated escape routes guide everyone to safety. This isn't just theory. It's a practical, step-by-step protocol that works. Before every shift, gas detectors are calibrated. Throughout the day, ventilation plans are strictly followed. In work zones, safety rules are absolute. When alarms sound, miners withdraw. If the danger is high, they evacuate. It's that simple, and the data proves it. According to the ILO, compliance with these rules can slash explosion incidents by over 70%. C176 Article 7 turns chaos into control. It's a simple formula: ventilate, monitor, evacuate. With these measures, mine disasters are not inevitable. Graves are optional. Safety is mandatory. Let's demand that every country ratifies this life-saving convention. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more on mine safety, and let's work together to bring every miner home safely.